Supergirl for today. And guys, I've been thinking we already got our costumes and decor and candy, so what are we missing? The booze, of course, and I need the drinks. So if you care to join me, let's whip up something strong for this Halloween. As you probably know, Krypton is a planet of very strong people, so we need to make a very strong drink for them to have fun. What we're going to be using is something, well, here in Costa Rica it's called lechuga, but for you guys it's probably like goldenberry, Cape gooseberry, Pisalis berry or something. But anyway, it's a very tasty fruit if you haven't tried it. It's like a little sweet and at the same time a little acid. And we're gonna be mixing it with some pineapple. Yeah, we're gonna make like a little fruity mixture. And Malibu, that's like my favorite rum. I think it's actually the only rum that I love. Like I've bought a couple bottles here and there. Anyway guys, this cocktail is really strong, so if you see the amount is, well, small, it's because it's really strong. So if you're not good at keeping your liquid down, I'd say add a little juice, maybe orange juice or some fruity juice. And we're gonna use some green food coloring to give it that alien likeness. Of course, we're gonna need ice because, like I said, it's actually pretty strong. And now for decor, I added a piece of black fondant, just something extra. But you can use pretty much anything you want. Now, bottoms up, can you keep it down like someone from the House of L can? Oof, that boost was hot! Or is it just me? If you enjoyed it, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I come up with next. And we can finish this Halloween ride together. I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.